Hey guys, it's under the enemy at uklocksport.co.uk. Today I've got a master padlock. It's a dimple lock, 5-pin, got a working key. Look it up. And bmfrank sent this with along with a load of stuff that Barb sent Alison, so cheers mate, and a big thanks to Barb from Alison. We'll get a single pin pick. I think this has got a few spools in it, and get some counter rotation there and a full set. Fuck. Reset it, I'll start again. There we go. Single pin picked. Typing master dimple lock. And cheers Frank. I'll try and get a video done doing it one-handed for you, seeing as you can do it and you said I should do it. So. There we are. It's a lovely little lock. If you are into lock sport, you're a newbie to lock sport, or you're a locksmith, come join us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Loads of great guys on there and loads of useful information on the forum. So thanks again guys, as I said, come join us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks, bye.